Listen and repeat. Once, I caught sight of how women deserve to be loved. I carried an old lady's shopping bags up a staircase in an underpass. She thanked me and timidly asked me to help walk her to her house. She told me she was in a rush because her husband waited to meet her whenever she went outside. As we approached, I saw a nearly blind man walking with a cane outside of the lady's house. He came up to us and took his beloved's heavy bags from me. I immediately recalled how often I was too lazy to meet my girlfriend on the way home from the supermarket or from the train station. I lost my leg when I was 19. I was dating a girl at that time and we were very much in love. After a while, she suddenly decided to move abroad, claiming that she wanted to earn some money for us. I wanted to believe her, but was convinced that she was lying. I told her we needed to break up and that it would be better for her. 1 month later, my doorbell rang. I took my crutches, opened the door and there she was. I didn't even manage to get a word out before she slapped me and I fell down. She kneeled down beside me, hugged me and said, "You're an idiot. I didn't run away from you. We're going to the hospital tomorrow and there's a prosthesis waiting for you. I went abroad to earn money so you'll be able to walk again, do you understand?" I was so overwhelmed with emotion that I couldn't utter a single word. I just hugged her tightly and cried. My older sister got married. Her husband is a picky eater and is very hard to please when it comes to food. Every time he openly criticizes her cooking, I always recall my sister's ex-boyfriend. Whenever she cooked chicken liver, he always ate it and said he'd never tasted anything better. It later turned out that he was actually allergic to chicken liver, he just loved my sister very much.